welcome to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I am Lisa. I just finished working out. And I am sweating. Listen guys, one of the biggest struggles I have is to lose this weight, but I'm trying. And I just finished my 5K on June 8th, which was, June 8th was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. So that being said, I also got my roots done, as you can see. I don't know, what color do you see? It's not platinum like before, it looks more goldish, but my hair has a mind of its own, which I've always said. If you're new to my channel, my hair has a mind of its own, meaning that when I get my roots done, it always turns orange or yellow, mainly orange. And he did it like 3 times and it just wouldn't go to platinum. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna wash my hair on this hot day. So I'm gonna take a shower, and when I come back, I would have shampooed and conditioned my hair. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I love my hair when it's freshly done by the hairdresser, and I just washed it with It's a 10 shampoo and the Garnier, I'll show you in a second, the conditioner, and that's it, because I'm sure I'm gonna wash it again midweek after I do some more workout. So look at this, I just washed it, and I love freshly done hair because even though I just shampooed and conditioned it, look at this, I can just leave it like this, its own natural curls. And I'll say this again, I don't know why, but I think that when I get my hair done, like color in it, my hair has more curls. Isn't that weird? So anyway, I'm gonna get dressed. I just want to show you before it's all, you know, but I gotta put products in it. I gotta put products in it. All right. Okay, I am back, and white tooth comb, and I'm just going to color through. This is going to be a quick. I think I'm just going to finger coil it. And oh great, something's in my eye. And I have to be careful that hair is not in my bracelets. They seem to get tangled up. So I have my water bottle. Haven't seen this in a minute, right? And I'm just going to, this is the conditioner that I use in the shower. The Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition, dry to very dry hair, fortifying conditioner. Just add a couple of drops. And this one is the Garnier Color Shield. I did not use this in the shower today. And this is the fortifying conditioner, color treated hair. A couple of drops. Okay, my first time doing this. And shake. And I'm just going to I love this bottle from Amazon. Look at the spritz. It's just spritzing. Remember I told you a long time ago, if you've been watching me for a while, that the hairdresser for natural hair said to me that African American people, their hair loves it when we spray it with leave-in conditioner. For some reason, it accepts it more or deals with it more when it is sprayed versus rubbed in. Strange? I don't know. And then I'm going to add in my Ouidad, whatever you want to call it. This is what it is. This is the Ouidad Curl Quencher Moisterizing Styling Gel from Amazon. I just picked it up just a little bit, like a dime size, a quarter size. And I'm just going to put it on my hair. Actually, I'm not gonna finger coil it. Well, we'll see. I was gonna say I'm just gonna fluff and go. But it doesn't hurt to coil a couple of pieces here and there. So it's more like a while at the same time scrunching it. And I use my towel just to dry it off myself, but not on my hair. Okay, this is gonna be a quick video, hopefully. And I am going to diffuse. Yes, on cool settings, diffusing it. Because I don't think I show you guys enough the end product. This one has a cool settings. Okay guys, so it is like, I won't even say 50% dry, but I am going to add some oil in at this point. Let me get my oil. Okay, so I'm using Ouidad. Oh God. That noise you're hearing is the fan. So this is the Mongongo Oil multi-use curl treatment. And I love this one because this one is also a spray. So I'm mimicking a little bit what the hairdresser did. Paul is his name. And I'm just cleaning the back of my ears. And I am going to diffuse a little bit more. And then I'm going to air dry. And that's pretty much it. I mean, hopefully this is a quick video by the time I edit it all. But remember, it is not too late to enjoy the early morning weather and to go and work out. So if you're struggling like me with this weight, do something about it. And remember, it's not too late to do something about it. And this is it. Well, thank you ladies and gents, whoever is watching my video. Thank you for watching for another week on Not Too Late Natural Hair. I am Lisa. See you next time. Peace, love, bye.